Alam mo, sabi nung matatanda, pag hindi ka pa raw nakakapasok sa bagong simbahan at first time mo, pwede kang humiling ng 3.
Ano bang hihilingin ko? Sana may dumating. Yung maintindihan ako, yung pwede kong makasama pambuhay. Kasi we're meant for each other eh.
Everyone longs to feel special, and that's perfectly fine.
Ano to?
Annulment papers.
But not everything we ask for is given to us in the way we want.
Video okay?
Yes! Welcome party ko sa'yo. Yan.
Paborito ko lahat to eh. Alam ko. Alam mo yung feeling ng all of a sudden, meron kang kakampi. Yung meron nakakaintindi sa akin. Wala pa akong sinasabi. Chicks?
Yes?
Gusto mo
Sa kwarto mo matulog? Sige, tara.
Pero naiintindihan mo ako.
And sometimes it's even better than we imagined. After a decade of waiting, Glyza De Castro and Rian Ramos are back together in a romantic comedy that will surely make you feel fun.
O magiging katotohanan ba? Bakit may mahal ka ng iba?
Alam niyo, Ma'am Chicks, simula nang dumating kayo, si Ma'am Ann, parang lagi siyang masaya.
Mahal kita, pero gusto kong malaman yung totoo mong nararamdaman.
Totoo naman to ah.
Si June.
Patay na siya.
Produced by Wide International.
Nandito pa rin ako.
June?
Ha?
Patay na siya sa puso ko.
Written and directed by Sigrid Andrea P. Bernardo. I Fell, It's Fine.
My gosh, this is so wrong. This is so right.
April 4 in cinemas nationwide.